He whines and he mopes, 'cause it ain't time yet for the slopes. Still he climbs the mountaintop and hopes the snowfall. Yeah, he would do anything for snowfall, 'cause his soul is put at ease when he got his poles and skis, going steezy over moguls with perfect balance, and going downhill like an avalanche. When he gonna get his chance to ski? How long he'll be solemn depends on when he can slalom. But once the snow has fallen, exuberance, going downhill like an avalanche. When he finally get his chance to ski.